What's up, you guys? It's Aditi. Welcome back. Welcome to the vlog. This is like the second vlog. The first vlog I did in March it's doing really well, and it has like 2,000 views. I'm quite excited about that. Um, and I thought I'll make a second vlog. I really wanted to vlog. No, you don't get to see like behind the scenes. You don't get to see me. It's just me bombarding a lot of information at you every single time in every single video for 10-15 minutes, and that can be a little irritating at times. And I want you guys to get to know me. So I really want to vlog, but this is a vlog. Just endure all the noises. But I thought that I'll do a week in my life so you have a little bit more to see. And I have my job, so I'm like working from home right now. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know more about it, but I guess you guys don't. So yeah, but today I do not have work, but I'm doing an internship, a psychology internship. I have to research a little bit more of this Friday's video. Okay, so I need to do that today, so tomorrow I can film and then I can get some time to chill, kind of edit the video. Anyway, so it's 8:30. I woke up at 8 o'clock. I'll go shower and I'll see you in like 30-40 minutes. My lecture just got over. It's noon, but I did not get to write everything. I can refer to this again because these links are not going to be available to us the whole time for like years on end. Okay, we're just gonna have access to these links for the duration of the internship, so till 12th July. So I want to get as much information as I can written down, because when you watch it for the first time or the second time, you cannot register everything. At least I cannot, and I want this information to be with me forever and ever, anytime accessible to me. Hey you guys, it's 1:45 right now. I'm just chilling watching YouTube on Smart TV. I was thinking that I will sit and script for Friday's video because I do need to film it tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna do that now. So I'm just gonna set up. So you're gonna come with me. Good morning, you guys. I'm so sorry I did not film after 4:30. I just watched the show Arya, the web series, and I really like it. I like the story. I like how it flows. I like that it has suspense. I like that it has thriller. It has drugs. It has drug business. It has police. It has murder. There are kids and women involved, and women empowerment, and how women have to be strong in dire situations and they get the job done. And sometimes men can be assholes. I'm not like a very hardcore feminist. Sometimes I like shows and movies where women aren't treated like cattle, you know. So this is not one of those shows. So I like it. I'm all set. It's 9:55 right now, and I'm waiting for the class to begin. Today's class is on tenets of CBT and evidence-based psychotherapy. So CBT is basically cognitive behavioral therapy. So I know there are two types of therapies. One is CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, and the second one is dialectical behavioral therapy, DBT, which is going to be tomorrow. So tomorrow is DBT, ACT, and MBCT. I don't know what ECT and MBCT is. I've never heard of that. But this is going really well. So that's what I'm just gonna wait for them to come online and start the class, which I'm quite excited. to learn about CBT. So I know CBT is in a very theoretical form, like what it means, vagara. But I think this internship teaches us theory, like it teaches us practical stuff, but in theory, because obviously, घर पे बैठे we can't do practical stuff. I really like this. घर पे बैठे थोड़ा knowledge भी मिल रहा है. I'm not just like sitting and just watching movies and TV shows one after the other. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this class and I'll see you at 12. Hi guys. It's 1:15. I had my lunch. I did not film it well because, like we saw yesterday, I just sat after class and rewinding the lecture and just writing down stuff that I couldn't complete. Although I didn't get to write everything because my hand started cramping. So this whole page is just. But right now, as it's 1:15, everybody is done with their lunch. I thought I will film for Friday's video how our body produces sleep part 2. So I'm gonna get ready and you're gonna see me get ready for the video. So it's kind of the backstage scenes. I am done for today. Well, the Friday's vlog. I did say that I'm going to sit and just write down all the stuff that I like my notes at 4:30, but I think I'm gonna go and do that right now. And it's 5:20 and I woke up at 5. I was too tired. I felt like my eyes were hurting. I think it's the screen. I love screen. I'm just on YouTube right now, and I think I'm just gonna finish the notes today.
The city looks beautiful irrespective of that. I love seeing these lights like that, like building me lights at night. You can see some there. It looks damn cool. I think it looks really cool.
Good morning, you guys. I started filming in the morning and it started raining. Like you saw, reality reality of life. As you saw that yesterday हमारी आके light चली गई थी, so I didn't get to do much. It's like 9:55 right now, so I thought I will quickly explain what the internship is about. So the internship is a collaboration of Fortis Healthcare and Sukoon in Psychiatric Hospital or Sukoon in Psychiatric Clinic. It's a 10-day internship, and they say it's of 50 hours. So from 3rd July to 12th July, there's going to be a 2-hour lecture from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock. So I want to really rush this. And they are going to give you an assignment that you have to complete. So the assignment can be some case studies, or they may tell you to do something like interview someone. And then also you have to write a critical analysis of that. Also, I have to give an experiential research project by the end of this internship. And I'm also going to get an e-certificate. So to get an e-certificate, I have to do 3 things. One is complete all the internships that I get at the end of the lecture. So every day, so I'm going to get like, I think 9 to 10. I'm not sure if I'm going to get any internships, get any assignments on the last day, like 12th July. But I'm going to get why do I keep saying internships? Assignments. From day 1 till day 9 for sure, and I have to submit all of them on the second last or the last day. That's one thing I have to do. The second thing I have to do is I have to write and submit the experiential research project. It's about I keep forgetting. It's about my experience in lockdown. So it's an experiential, मतलब मेरा खुद का experience लिखने वाली हूँ मैं, and also a feedback form that I have to fill. So if I do these things, then these 3 things, then I will get the e-certificate by the end of August or something. The class has begun, so I'm gonna see you after the class.
This is my lunch today, guys. Ukdiche modak. If anybody knows what ukdiche modak are, like if you're a Maharashtrian, I'm sure you would know that. Comment down below. Ovachi panachi bhaji. Pav bhaji. It's too dark here. Here you go. Pav bhaji from yesterday because I don't like ukdiche modak a lot, although I'm a Maharashtrian. आणि फोडणीचा भात खिचडी this is khichdi, sorry, this is khichdi. So that's my lunch for Tuesday.
Hello, you guys. In the afternoon, I sat and I worked. I'm trying to not have this video too long, and that's the reason why I did not film me completing my notes. After I just took like 30 minutes nap, I really needed it. My hands started cramping and I had a really bad backache. बुढ़ी हो रही हूँ मैं. At 27, I'm becoming 72. I don't feel like walking, so I'm gonna go watch Angrezi Medium. One of my acquaintances, Insta follower, I don't know, maybe a subscriber, I'm not sure. Her name is Anu Menon. I hope if you're watching this, Anu, I hope you don't mind me taking your name on the internet. So she suggested me to watch Angrezi Medium, and she said it's really nice. It's an emotional movie, so I am planning to watch that movie now. Good afternoon, you guys. I know I did not film in the morning because you know already my routine is like I had that internship, the summer internship, and today's lecture was about a glimpse in the psychoanalytical approach in psychotherapy. Pretty interesting but very theoretical lecture. To be honest, it's almost 2 and I am sitting with my work. You don't know what I do, but I'm going to tell you that I am actually a tutor. I teach French to kids and I'm just waiting for my student to call me. I'm having 2 classes right now, so from 2 to 3, and then one is from 3 to 4:30. And there I get my students' calls. So I'm just going to talk to you after all of this is done. Hello guys, I'm done with tuitions. It's 6:30 actually. I also have to complete today's assignment, which is what you can see on the screen, which I don't think you can see from that far, but I'm going to take you with me. Hey guys, good morning. It's Thursday and I woke up at 6:30. I don't know, I'd never use an alarm, and I started working on my day 2 assignment because I hadn't done it yet and it was freaking me out, and for some reason when I actually tried to do it, I just couldn't do it. So I decided that I'll do it when I'm feeling fresh, and I'll just tell you what the assignment is about so you just get it better. Day 2 was about mental disorders, and the assignment is basically given us like 3 to 4 cases, and I'm supposed to provide provisional diagnosis. And second thing I have to do in this assignment is that I have to provide positive findings in each of the cases to give the provisional diagnosis. So I just read the first case, and when I read half of it, it just clicked me. It's I'll just tell you, I've just marked, you can see some blue highlights. So I marked that Mr. B attempt to harm himself, was feeling very low for the past 6 7 months. He stopped meeting his friends like he used to. He would feel anxious for no reason. Getting out of bed in the morning was a difficult task. His self hygiene deteriorated. His appetite also reduced. He thinks he has become a failure and he sees that he won't be able to carry out his life like this. So he feels like a failure is negative automatic thoughts. And when he says that he won't be able to carry out his life like this, it means that suicidal ideation basically. Could not sleep, and I knew this is major depressive disorder because the major there are like, according to DSM, they have you are supposed to have 5 or more symptoms that they have already mentioned. So the main ones are like you are supposed to be depressed for at least more than a week or at least a week. And second one is anhedonia, which means that you don't feel like doing the things that you love doing and you just stop doing the things or the activities that you really love. That's anhedonia. So he stopped meeting his friends like he used to. And there are a lot of other things like insomnia or hyperinsomnia. So you couldn't sleep or you sleep too much. Or you stop eating, your appetite is reduced, or you eat too much. So it's like on the opposite side of the spectrum. Stuff like that. So I knew this instantly. So I'm quite pumped to do case 2, case 3, and case 4. And I also have to write a critical analysis. So I'm just going to do that. But before that, I got this package yesterday and I did not open it. So I thought I'll open it with you guys. I got this because I do journaling, right? So this is my book. It's not over actually. So I have only finished this much. Itna bacha hai. Actually, I want to write every single day because if you cannot afford therapy, then this is a really good way to keep your or to maintain good mental health. Good morning, guys. It's Friday, and I know I did not film much yesterday. I am sorry. I had so much to do that I needed to focus and just chop all of it and be done with it. So I had to do a rough cut. I had to edit. I had to add these pictures so you understand the sleep part a lot better. That you've already seen the video. I hope you have. Also the titles, the music. I had to add everything. So there was a lot of stuff that was left to do. I also had to complete yesterday's assignment and day 2 assignment. And I realized that I also had not written the critical analysis of a few of the other assignments. I'm just waiting for the meeting to begin. Till then, I'll just set you guys up so you can join me in not meeting, the internship, the lecture. So you guys can join with. I do put it for uploading very early, like few hours before I actually publish it, or it goes live kind of, because it takes time. Like you saw, it was showing 18 minutes. Sometimes it takes longer because पहले upload होगा फिर you start processing. So it takes time, and I don't want to get stressed out to do it after my tuitions. My tuition will be done by 4, sometimes 4:30. So I don't want to be stressed out then. I just finished all the YouTube work and it says no internet. I'm just gonna chill for a little while, maybe eat Maggie. It's been months I've not eaten Maggie. So I'm just gonna go eat. I feel hungry with the thought of Maggie. So I'm just gonna go and do that. And I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Actually, you will see me at 7 o'clock if you're watching the video. But after 4 months, 4 months, I'm just gonna go eat that. So that is it for today's vlog. It's past 11. So I'm just gonna get ready for bed. I'm gonna wind down. I'm gonna catch up on my reading because, as you saw, the whole week I did not get to read because the internship and everything. So I'm gonna do that and put myself to sleep. So I'll see you next Friday. But till then, if you enjoyed this vlog, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you want me to make any other videos. And also next Friday, I'm planning to post a Q&A. So if you have any questions regarding your psychology careers, because that's the kind of questions I get a lot, and any other kind of questions you may have, so comment down below. I'll pick them up from there. And also on my social media handles, you can even catch me up there. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you next Friday with another psychology video. Good night.